Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to enable or disable nearby sharing in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Nearby sharing in Windows 10 lets you quickly send files, links, and other content to nearby Windows devices using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Steps: using Settings app, press Windows key +I to open Settings. Go to System, then Shared Experiences. Under Share Across Devices, toggle the switch On, enables nearby sharing. Off, disables nearby sharing. You can also choose who can share or receive content. Everyone nearby. Any nearby device can share. My devices only. Only devices signed in with your Microsoft account. Notes: both devices must have Bluetooth or Wi-Fi enabled. Nearby sharing works best when devices are within range, same room or office. Files are transferred wirelessly, so speed depends on your connection. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.